Yeah, I have no idea what's going on here, guys. I tried taking out most of the pieces out. Like, I took out the CD cover, the DVD cover over here. So the screws out over here, and then I try to check what's underneath. So I took these two screws out and pulled the whole tray out. I tried to figure out if there's anything missing in there, but it seemed fine. But I have a huge feeling that the sound is coming from here, not the CD. It's coming from here. The supply unit. I got a feeling that it's not generating enough power for the PS2 to start up. So I think there is some kind of, I don't know, something is like stopping the supply unit from getting enough power, and so that's why I can't start it up. I don't know why, but it's a pain in the ass. Yeah, see? It makes a buzzing sound, and it's completely off right now, I think. But of course it's on here, but can we switch it off right now? See, there is power, like this cord, the ejection cord, it's still intact. Is it called an ejection cord? I forgot what it's called. Okay, but yeah, it's still intact. It's pretty much fine. I haven't done anything to it. Yeah, and I tried to take out all these pieces, like the memory card. Yeah, memory card slots. I took these off. I took this off, the main power supply unit. I took the fan off. I turned it around. I took out the motherboard. And just try to figure out what's happening, what's missing. Is anything fried up? But couldn't really spot anything wrong. It looked okay. So I don't know, guys. Please do let me know what I could do. Because the sound is not coming from here, from the CD. That's for sure. Like, if I put my ear close to the CD, the DVD, the spindle, there's no sound coming from that. It's coming from here. Like from here, like around here. So, I have no idea. Please help me, someone. And thank you.